Kubor nag-shlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Amar Nath Sharma ulara ekanam ladu haka all Shillong Open Snooker Tournament balapanlong the National People's Youth Front haka jinge trailang bat ka Meghalaya Billiards and Snookers Association kane ka jingle kai kalalong ka baitan Nath bha haka ba unong job u Amar Nath Sharma ulala ban Pynliem no yo Jexial Nongkynrih katkom ka jinge thu jong kinong Pynliem kidon hadu sauko prangut ki bawan baneshim benta haka ne ka jinge kom Kilaya thoru batang ki badai naga jilla ki bala baneshim benta hakane ka jingale kai knang ban kintewi ki samla ka jilla bakin mi shakman ban pentbet yalade hakane ka jingale kai ka billiards and snooker
Both of you be standing beside skills. You'll have very exciting times and sometimes a little difficult times when it went to the respot. But thank you all the players who had supported us, all the audience who had come forward to support. Please give a big round of applause to them.
Supporting this game in our state, it is something that had it not been for the association, we would have not really seen this kind of talent that's been coming up in our state, which we have all been witness to today. And although I just was able to see the fourth frame of the game, but it was really something worth the watch. And congratulations to both JJ and to Amar for this reaching the finals, and also to all the participants.
Every sport has its own USP, and I believe that snooker too, in this entire country, has gained a lot of popularity, and I'm happy that through the association and the party of the NPP, we were able to, encourage this kind of a meeting, this kind of a competition.
Right.
And always we appreciate, and there's a space for everyone. So I congratulate.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.